Hey everyone, I'm sure you're noticing how AI is starting to proliferate everything. Well, unfortunately, the fraud area is one of the areas that it is really starting to take off. And I know you've probably heard some of the rumors about AI being able to imitate your voice or your face or your likeness and different things, and that is true. But one of the things that's happening is a lot more title fraud, where they're creating false documents and all types of things. We've even had instances where agents have actually sold a piece of property. It's usually a piece of land, could be a building, something that doesn't have to physically be toured, and the owner might not know, and it's gone all the way to the closing table, some of these, before they were discovered. So I'm inviting you, if you live in Jefferson County, I'm going to put the link below for you to get on there and make sure you register to prevent title fraud in your home. You can register multiple names. You can register your company if you have one. Do that today. Don't let it wait another day. If you're outside of Jefferson County, there are some reputable title fraud companies that will charge a fee to do that. I'm hoping that more counties provide this free service. And if anybody knows of a free service other than the one I'm posting here, please let me know. I like to spread the word, keep all of my clients and friends and family protected. Have a great day.